James! Alright, first we gotta read the board. Alright, we gotta read the board. The weather is usually cool this time of year. The forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava bubbling with eruptions. Where are you going? What the heck? It's a... What the heck are these? These are like... They're rocks, James. James, they're rocks. I'm gonna put one in the volcano. James? No, James, come here. Something happened. Come drop a rock in the thing. We need more. Put him in. What the heck? What is that? What does that mean? What's going on? Oh! Run! What is... No! Don't be... Oh my gosh! What the heck? Ah! I fell in! It's just like water. I actually fell in. It's just like water. You can just swim in it.
Bro,
the heck? Can we? Can we keep filling it up? Put him in. Does it do anything? Put him in.
I don't think so.
Is that as high as it goes? Where'd you go?
Wait a minute.
Oh, I did not know. I didn't look yet. What? Wait, what's this? It's a slingshot. Forest lava? Oh my goodness. Yo, this badge is free.
I know. I have eyes.
Let's go try some of this stuff on. What the heck? Why do I look like that? We look different. The shading's weird, bro. Oh, I got a little flamethrower. Burb! It's a phoenix, bro. He breathes fire. Ooh, a pepper. Mmm. Ah! You eat it and then you breathe fire.
Go.
Alright, let's get this free badge here. Let's go! I wanna try on this. I gotta try on the whole fit, bro. 1, 2, 3. Yo! Oh wait, my face thing is coming. But anyways, dude, the fit's crazy. It shoots little chilies! It shoots little peppers! I think this thing's awesome. I'm gonna burn your little monkey face off. Like, the water's pink, and I'm orange right now. What the heck is going on? Bro, they got something wrong with the texture. And when I go under, it's orange. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Why is the water pink? And I'm orange. I'm not supposed to be orange like this. This is really weird. Whoa! James! I don't think that was there before. Pretty cool update, right, James?
Subscriber, the baby gorilla gets it.